last like 12 years, I've been pushing this work of the self as superhero, and I think that there's something that is really key in that title, and that is the self. The self as superhero is all about reinventing ourselves as superheroes, drawing ideas from real and imaginary heroes, really looking at the problems that we want to solve. Another piece of the handbook is the tools for classroom communication and management, and we utilize attitude and homework principles for that. And then other ways to structure a classroom, tools for silence, how to be culturally aware when working with students around developing images that look like them, just basic drawing and painting techniques. And then giving young people an opportunity to really imagine what they would want to look like, from the hair to the clothes to the face to how they pose and so on and so forth. And I think a lot of times when I talk about the self as superhero, I talk in the context of children and youth, because we've worked with young people for so many years. But it's not just children and youth. Actually, I've done my own superhero. I'll be doing a series of superheroes, and I'm really excited about it. There's actually a couple of people in the audience that I want to approach.
This program has done wonders for me. It's done wonders for other people. You know, I'm looking forward to working with this organization in the future. You know, I've done for many years, and I'm going to continue on and never stop.
This is just amazing work. I appreciate Amana and her work, and just how she thanked everyone in the community, someone who has just believed in the genuine beauty of our children.
The purpose of bringing communities closer together, about helping kids in schools and to improve the art programs in the schools and helping kids with self-esteem and things like that. It's wonderful.
Well, I want to congratulate Amana for her wonderful work. I really love what she said, and just she has the support of Oakland and all of the youth.
We are the heroes that we are waiting for. The real heroes are basically within each and one of us. And how do we really pass that message on to our children? We've had the superheroes manifest in so many different ways, and so by providing the framework, it's like you could just take these basic ideas and be able to create really your own curriculum.